Attention sleep apnea sufferers. This video could save your life. Is this what it looks like when you go to bed? Like an astronaut getting ready for liftoff? All jokes aside, I don't have to tell you the discomfort, pain, and skin conditions caused by the CPAP mask used to control your sleep apnea. You don't wear a silicone t-shirt or socks, so why would you want a silicone mask on your face to treat your serious medical condition? When you ratchet it down to stop air from leaking because of sweat and your skin's oil breaking the seal, you put so much pressure on the skin it causes sores, red marks, damage to the bridge of your nose, and other issues. And it's just plain uncomfortable to have on your face, making it difficult to sleep. It's the reason so many people end up quitting the CPAP therapy. It's estimated more than half do. But that can be deadly because sleep apnea can cause heart attacks, strokes, diabetes, and many other dangerous health issues. Even professional athletes can suffer dire consequences of sleep apnea if their masks are under the bed or collecting dust in a closet because they leak. The solution isn't to get a new mask. All of them have the same issues. All masks leak air. The solution is RemZzzs, a patented disposable cotton liner worn between your face and the mask. Created in 2009 and now distributed in 9 countries, RemZzzs works because cotton against the skin is comfortable and soaks up the sweat, so you don't need to ratchet it down to form a tight seal. It stays on comfortably throughout the night. It's incredibly simple, simply incredible. The result is better sleep for you and your partner, and you'll be getting the CPAP therapy you need. You'll feel more rested during the day and won't have those red irritated marks on your face. Good sleep is necessary for good health, especially when you have sleep apnea. Click the link below to figure out what size RemZzzs works for your CPAP mask and you, and let yourself dream again.